Hello everyone, welcome to STEADFAST Skill Assessment Academy. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for Australian Made Ballot Visa 403 through your ImmiAccount. First, go to the official Australian immigration website. Click on Login and choose Create ImmiAccount. Enter your email ID. And it will send you a verification code. Click Next. Enter your user details, your name and your mobile number. Create a strong password and accept the terms. Select secret questions and remember your answers. Enter email ID and password. After verification, log into your ImmiAccount. Click New Application. Under it, select Visa Pre-Application Registration and then go to Registration Mobility Arrangement for Talento Early Professional Scheme MATES 403. Now enter your personal information carefully. Passport details, date of birth. Make sure all details exactly match your passport. Any mismatch can delay your visa process. Select these four that I have acknowledged and then enter your family name, given name and select your gender. And then enter your date of birth, country of passport, passport date of issue and expiry, and then enter your PAN card number. And then enter your email ID. Select your eligible qualification and area of study. Select all the declarations options. And then click on Save. Then you will be receiving a verification mail to your email ID. And then select Review. Recheck your details and then click on Pay and Submit.